Hey, two rappers at the very top of their careers right now, doing amazing things for the hip hop scene. Like, bro, this is dope. This is dope. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka Pon Pon. Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're looking at Budweiser Smooth Kings remix, okay? This has been one that I've been resistant to react to. I still haven't seen any episode of them. I ran into the V and the YC episode on Twitter, and I thought, wait, the initiative behind the show is freaking dope. I love the concept of it. I've withheld it because it was building up to an album. It was building up to like a compilation, so I kind of held back on it. But ever since the episodes have been coming out, I've been getting a lot of requests to jump on it right now. So I might as well, you know. I might as well. But before we get right into it, please hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and also subscribe to my main channel where I have an interview series that I'm working on. I just put out my first episode back. It's called Talking Garri with, so definitely go check that one in. All right, so we're about to get right into this one. I haven't seen the show before. We'll get right into it, man. We just experienced the whole thing together, and we see how this one goes. This is a dope ass lineup. Man. This is dope. Whoever created this, shout outs to them, man. Nice build up. This is content, man. This is content.
Hello, people, and welcome back to the Budweiser Smooth Kings remix show. I'm Mike Edwards, your host with the most.
This is the guy from Big Brother, right? The season before the Lakon season. Yeah.
And today is our 10th and final episode this season. As an only
this is the last one.
We're closing with a bang. A tribute to the ever-evolving phenomenon that is Nigerian hip-hop. It's been a season of unlikely chemistry and great performances. And today, we shall be celebrating legacy, the ingenuity and creativity that has transformed the Nigerian hip-hop sound and paved the way for today's kings. I'm super excited about the show today, and so should you. Go on, grab a bud, and let's meet today's performers.
It's presenting is interesting, man.
So I wrote Marry Me because, you know, the concept of the song is something I always wanted to do. I always wanted to write a song about marriage. You know, and that song, it turned into something amazing. The whole of Nigeria heard that song. You know, and I was on it.
He's talking about the song by Fowles and Yemi Alade. Say you wanna marry me, yo. I love that song, man.
I had made so many songs. I had so many like mixtapes before that Bad Boy Black project. So like
Bad Boy Black is still my favorite Blaqbonez project. I'm not gonna lie.
I used to always feel like there were no indigenous rappers that were rapping on the level of what we thought was the level at that time, and he just came and changed the game.
The gospel produced the original Pon Pon. I think it was so sick. So I guess they don't get the original producers to do the remix. Anyway,
Nice one.
This sounds nothing like Pon Pon first.
Oh, yeah, you know, so the session is going on right now.
Oh, okay, I heard the sample.
He is open-minded, because when I came in, I knew I wanted something that was, as a rapper, would challenge other rappers. They want to hear it, they want to vibe on it as well. This one, and I'm bringing my own special brand of lifelines, as always.
Hey, let's go, lifelines.
Nothing we can do.
Yo, so far it's been an interesting session. You know, we still had to talk about, you know, because I needed the hard feeling that the original version had inside this one, at least, and something that would make rappers want to rap. It's sounding nice, you know. I recorded my verse because, you know, I'm a speed star, I'm like the Flash, and the vibe it still has.
This is the most serious I've ever seen Blaqbonez, honestly.
It still has.
I guess he's working right now, so he's shut down every social media. He's in his bag now, so he's serious. All right, let's get right into the banger, bro. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, Shoko Yokoto, I got the shit up all night long. And you know when this shit drop, I got them baddies in my door. They be trying to show me love.
But that Grin was a staple, man. For the short period of time that we had with him in his career, he made such a huge impact on Nigerian hip-hop. Anyway, Sha, let's get right to actual performance, man. Let's go. Let's run it. Hey. 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 Nah, those drums.
Oh yeah. You know what it is. Hey, you know
Hey.
what it do. You know what it was.
You knew what it was. Hey. Hey.
But you knew that.
Nah, this is mad, bro. Let's go. Hey. Let go. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Alright, let's step into it. Let's step into it, man. Let's go. Who's going first? Okay, Black, let's go.
This shit is evergreen. One of the reasons I was rapping in my teens. Wanted to pay this homage and to do it on his beat. More than Pon Pon. It's only right to brag a little bit. I'm on Johnny me.
Hey, okay, paying homage. Okay, we have to give him that. Obviously, Blaqbonez as a rapper must have been looking up to Grin, because Grin was a king when it was here, man. Grin is still a king in the hearts of many, many hip-hop fans, for sure. And it's evident that he definitely looked up to him as a rapper. So he's definitely making that point here. Hey.
It's only right to brag a little bit.
Hey.
Johnny me. I got that vibe in me.
Hey.
That BBC, so it's supersizing me.
Man, I love this flow, man.
Shit is wild on me. Can I take my shine on me? Come on.
Hey, okay, it's saying his head is hot. He's got the tiger stripes on him, man. Okay, that's wild.
I had it, you can see the tiger stripes on me.
Hey.
Shit is wild on me. Can I take my shine on me? Come on. Yo, we'll let it pump on. Ride in a drop top, don't
Hey.
check time. Fashionably late to the function. I'm God's on.
LOL.
So you can never touch me. Wise words, every sentence turn into your girl's caption.
Man said every sentence is turned into your girl's captions. Okay.
So you can never touch me. Wise words, every sentence turn into your girl's caption. Suck on your contour, I get that shit is on my door. I the goodies on my door, I got the baddies in my bro.
Hey.
You fucking on my shit, I got the baddies in my door.
Hey. Come on. Alright, Blaqbonez's verse was hard. Blaqbonez's verse was doing something. I think he was coming in there as okay, let me just come here to pay homage. I'm not gonna be too braggadocious on this. Like, okay, Blaqbonez's verse, I'm not gonna lie, was cute, man. Yeah, let's see what Ladipoe is saying, bro. Hey.
I'm on Nigerian me. Check my family tree. Royalty check my account. What's a crown to me? But I don't need to.
Yo, okay. I don't know if it's him or some other rapper. It might be Tech or him. Somebody's actually. There might be some truth. There might be some level of truth to what he's saying. That he's actually from royalty. I think he is. Correct me if I'm wrong. He might be spitting facts here, man. Like, he actually is from royalty.
Check my family tree.
Hey.
Royalty check my account. What's a crown to me?
Hey.
I don't need to drink the.
Royalty check my crown. What's a crown to me? Royalty check my crown. What's a crown to me? Like, royalties. Like, he's an artist. Check his royalties. Like, obviously there's money in there. That's dope. That's a nice play of words with royalty. But he said, "What's a crown to me?" And now I'm hearing that "What's a crown to me?" and I'm thinking, is he trying to make subtle shots at Vector and MI? Is that what I'm hearing? Nah, bro, it can't be. There's no way.
Check my family tree.
Hey.
Royalty check my account. What's a crown to me? But I don't need to drink to raise the bar in me. Leader of
I don't need to drink to raise the bar in me. Let's go.
revival, bend 1,000 knees. Ooh, on enemy.
Wait, say that again?
To raise the bar in me. Leader of revival, bend 1,000 knees. Ooh, on enemy. One enemy. Probably why I be smoking these rappers like who they breed. Know they catch feelings looking at me.
Wait. Let's take that back. Millennium be something. He kind of slurred his words there.
Check my family tree. Royalty check my account. What's a crown to me? But I don't need to drink to raise the bar in me.
Hey.
Leader of revival, bend 1,000 knees. Ooh, one enemy. One enemy.
Molenubi, Ikpon, Molenubi. What did he say is in his mouth? Ikpon. What's Ikpon? Is that why he's saying something is in his mouth, so I guess that's why he's losing his breath, or he's saying, like, he's pretending, or he's like delivering the line in a way, then he follows it by saying something who they breathe. Wait, let me hear that. Nah, I'm sure there's something here. There's something in this line.
Leader of revival, bend 1,000 knees. Ooh, one enemy. Probably why I be smoking these rappers like who they breed. Know they.
Something is in his mouth is probably why he has been smoking. Oh, okay, Ikpon. I don't know, maybe it means something, maybe like kata. I don't know. So that's probably why he's smoking. all these rappers, like he's smoking to clear something inside his throat. I think this is me reaching or trying to make sense of out of what I'm hearing, Sha. Something to clear in his throat, and it turns out this shit doesn't make sense. What I'm saying, then I'm gonna like obviously retract what I'm saying because that's what I'm hearing, Sha. Okay, let me say the bar again. Hey. That's probably why we smoking these rappers like who they breathe. I know the who they breathe thing is a Davido like reference, but anyway, I don't want to deep it too much, man. I'm guessing he's saying something is in his throat. That's why he's smoking rappers. When he's saying he's smoking rappers, cause who they breathe, and yeah, we get that. But I'm trying to hear that Yoruba line. I didn't hear what the Yoruba word he said. Cause it will make more sense if I heard, or it's something that I can't understand. Maybe I'm not understanding, but what I'm hearing is not clear. I could be hearing 3-4 things at the same time. I'm hearing Ikpo, I'm hearing Ikpo, I'm hearing Ibo or something. I'm hearing some other random things. Nah, you guys, please leave in the comment section what he said in that line, man. Please leave in the comment, cause my Yoruba is dead. Trust me. If I am hearing it, I'll understand it, but I'm not hearing it. Cause he's actually slurring his words at that point. At least he's reducing his delivery just to like make the point of what he's saying, because he's saying something is in his throat, so he's not pretending as if something is in his throat. That's why he's performing it that way, because right now it sounds as if he's out of breath. It sounds like he's running up a hill or something. You know what I mean? Like he's not performing it like he would perform in a regular line. He's obviously changing the performance on that line because he's trying to make the point of the line. That's how he's performing it. You get? So get, you know, yeah. But anyway, a Harley what? Okay, that was fast. A Hardy to these lyrics, except it's pen to bleed. Nah.
Probably why I be smoking these rappers like who they breed. Know they catch feelings looking at me. Young Benny please. I hardy to these lyrics, expecting this pen to bleed. Oh.
I hardy to these lyrics, except the pen to bleed. I'm not hearing that.
Negative money, not a thing.
Hey.
Every time I step out, that's an invoice.
Hey.
Check please, POS accept these. I'm a young LD, motherfucker. I'm a big boy.
Hey. Yo, you guys get that? Hey, LD, I'm a big boy. Come on, that was a nice homage, okay? Nice homage to LD. Another rapper that has his own legacy in Nigerian hip-hop, you know? But yeah, like, I love that LD line. That was a nice taste from LD.
Negative money, not a thing.
Hey.
Every time I step out, that's an invoice.
Every time I step out, that's an invoice. Omo. His stock is high right now. Like, anything he touches right now must cost. It must cost something, because he has, if not one of the hottest records in the country right now. He's doing it back to back. He did one in 2020. He's doing it again, and he's here. He's a hot rapper. This is the peak of his career for sure. This is the hottest moment he's ever seen. So every time he step out, it's definitely an invoice for sure.
Check please, POS accept these. I'm a young
POS accept these. Nice.
LD, motherfucker. I'm a big boy.
I'm a young LD, man. I love that he did LD like that, man.
Yeah, your favorite rapper knows me. From the upcomers down to the OGs. Yeah,
yep, that's facts. That's facts. Your favorite rappers know me, from the young comers to the OGs. Ladipoe is in this age of the hip hop scene that he's kind of like, he's like a middle child, like J. Cole. You know how, if you guys listen to J. Cole's Middle Child, he was talking about how he's in between like the mumble rappers and the Jay-Z's and the Kanye's and whatnot. So like Ladipoe kind of falls in that line, because he's in a place where rappers like Blaqbonez to some extent can look up to him, and obviously he looks up to rappers like MI, and like he's like in the middle child of that scene, of that hip hop scene in Nigeria. So what he's saying is definitely factual, bro.
Rapper knows me, from the upcomers down to the OGs.
Hey.
Yeah, taken from a rapper turned preacher. Heaven knows we need a DMX, the Grin feature.
Hey. Take it from a rapper turned preacher. Heaven knows we need a DMX and that Grin feature. Gosh, that's hard. That's a hard line. That's hard, bro. Okay, Ladipoe, okay. I mean, I expected lifelines here, bro. But like, come on. These lines are hard, bro. These lines are hard. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. Hey, this drums, bro. Who's this band? Hey. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's Alternate Sounds. The band. That's Alternate Sounds. They're fire. Go check out Alternate Sounds, man.
Yo. Shout out Alternate Sounds.
Hey, that drummer is gifted.
R.I.P. the Grin. R.I.P. the Grin.
Yep. Yo, this was dope. This was beautiful. This was beautiful, man. Hey, two rappers at the very top of their careers right now, doing amazing things for the hip hop scene. Like, bro, this is dope. This is dope. I definitely enjoyed this. Shout out to Budweiser. Let me know if I should react to another episode of Budweiser. But over this performance, fire. Okay, very, very fire. The energy was through the roof, man. The energy was up here. Like, it was so much going on, especially how Blaqbonez opened it up. I think all Blaqbonez brought was energy. Like, Blaqbonez definitely, like, I love these lines, they were cute, but they didn't really seem too, like, you know what I mean? They didn't seem that over thought out. Do you know what I mean? They didn't seem like too clever. They didn't seem too witty. It was very braggadocio for sure. Like, it was bragging, was in his pocket. He made very subtle references of that Grin, Millennium B. He said something about I'm a Nigerian, I got the vibe in me or something about that. Yeah, which is like, it's just nice play on that same word, but it didn't seem too creative and like, again, because these are two rappers standing side by side, you have no choice. You have no choice but to compare them. It's like, that's, hip hop is a sport. Rappers don't want to, no rapper wants to be brushed on the same song. So who do you think had the harder verse here? I would lean towards Ladipoe, obviously. Like, Ladipoe had a more thought out verse. You know what I mean? A more thought out verse. He definitely, both definitely did their assignment for sure. But I think Ladipoe went a little deeper than Blaqbonez did. The references that Ladipoe made even tied it to his career, his position, his status in the hip hop scene. It's paying homage to that Grin and making it known that he's in the middle, that he still has guys that look up to him. So I like that Ladipoe did all of that. I like that Ladipoe also made that LD bar, man, paying homage to LD. That line, something I drink, something in the bar in me. That bar line was mad. That, like, obviously tying into Budweiser because of the drink. The thing about Crown. That thing about Crown is not, I don't think it's a Vector or MI diss. Maybe that I was reaching on that one. I think he's saying that because it's called Budweiser Smooth King. So he's saying something Crown to King. So I think Ladipoe's verse there was a lot more to take from it. You know what I mean? I love Blaqbonez, man, but it wasn't saying much. It was just like, it was all flow, it was all energy, it was all performance, which is very valuable in hip hop still. But in terms of like me trying to like pause and like hear what you're trying to say, I don't think you gave me much to pause for. I don't think you gave me more reason to pause or to like try and understand what he said. But Ladipoe definitely a much more interesting lyricist here. I enjoyed the performance. Again, shout out to the live band. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Who did you think had a harder verse here? I'm giving it straight up to Ladipoe. The part where he slurred his words there, I know he slurred it for a reason. It sounded really anti. It sounded very like out of breath, and I know he did that intentionally. But I'm not gonna use that point against him because I could easily say Blaqbonez had a better mic control because Blaqbonez was more. It was more audible. You could hear Blaqbonez easily. It was audible. He had the mic right to his mouth, and there's some kind of like engineering behind like rapping on a mic. Rapping on a mic is, I'm sure, if you ask like studio technicians, I'm sure it's very easy for people rapping on a mic to sound very muddy. Like all the basses are just hitting compared to like a singer. I'm sure the mixing up for a singer would be different. So it sounded strange that Blaqbonez was a lot more audible than Ladipoe. But yeah, I don't know why that was, but like Blaqbonez definitely had a stronger mic control here. As far as performances go, you know what I mean. But when it comes to the lines, the lifelines, in this case, man, I think Ladipoe had it. Even though it was difficult to hear him at certain moments, it was very, very hard to hear him. I had to turn it back and replay, like, I'm sure he's saying something there. And that closing line about from a rapper turned preacher, I'm sure in heaven now, DMX and that Grin feature, man, that would be mad. That's a very sweet punching closing line, man. Like, Ladipoe for me, had a better verse. I don't know how you can see Blaqbonez having a better verse here, but Ladipoe for me had a better verse, man. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about the verses. Like I said, definitely please hit thumbs up on this video so the algorithm picks it up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I do a bunch of Afrobeats, Afropop reactions and reviews here. Hip-hop sometimes, okay, and also I have my main channel in the description as well, where I have interview series, so definitely go check that one out as well. I just also released my playlist, okay, my monthly playlist also just got released for the month of May. Go check that one out as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.